Are you wasting credits on Kling 2.1 is trying to create video ads that just don't work? You sit there tweaking prompts, hoping this will finally give you something usable. But the results? Stiff, awkward, not scroll stopping, definitely not converting. At Profit Pulse Media, we work with e-commerce brands every day. And after generating over several high-converting AI-powered videos using Kling 2.1, we've developed a proven workflow that gets consistent results, even if you're not a prompt expert or video editor. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact system we use to build professional ad videos without wasting mini credits, turn static product shots into cinematic storytelling, and optimize creative output using AI, not guesswork. Kling 2.0 is a serious upgrade from the early models. It's not just for experimental creatives or AI hobbyists, it's a viable production tool when used strategically. Here's what it does well. Realistic facial expressions and human motion, stronger understanding of detailed prompts, seamless scene generation with rich environments, Restyle and multi-elements editing that saves time, but that only matters if you know how to use it with purpose. Most e-com brands we talk to treat Kling like a slot machine. Drop in credits, pray for a hit. Instead, you need to approach it like a creative strategist, with structured input, clear intent, and performance metrics in mind. Let's say you're launching a skincare product. You want one master ad, but also 5 variations for different personas. Gen Z women, millennial men, luxury buyers, budget-conscious shoppers, and eco-friendly consumers. You could create 5 separate videos, or you could build one great base scene and use Kling's Restyle feature to adapt it across themes. Swap a minimal spa bathroom for a neon-lit Gen Z vanity. Change soft daylight to moody candlelight. Insert leaves, marble, wood textures to match your tone. That's what we did for a client's product launch. Same subject, same performance, 5 aesthetic styles, 1 core production. We cut turnaround time by 70%. Conversion rates improved because each audience saw a version tailored to them. This is the foundation of everything we do in Kling. When a brand comes to us saying, "Our videos aren't working," we check the prompt, and 9 times out of 10, it's vague and generic. Here's our 5-point prompt framework. Use this every time. 1. Subject. Be specific. A woman isn't enough. Latina entrepreneur in her early 30s wearing a linen shirt is better. 2. Action. What's happening? Sipping coffee is bland. Sipping coffee while reviewing analytics on her laptop equals purposeful. 3. Environment. Don't just say cafe. Describe it. Light wood, plants, industrial lighting, floor-to-ceiling windows. 4. Lighting and atmosphere. Is it warm morning light, overcast, neon? Lighting defines tone. 5. Medium shot that pulls back, or close-up with slight camera shake. A confident female founder in her 30s, wearing a beige blazer, sits at a marble cafe table. She's sipping a flat white while reviewing product feedback on her tablet. The cafe has Nordic decor, soft jazz playing, warm morning sunlight through tall windows. Camera slowly pulls back, revealing branded tote bag on floor. This is how you get footage that feels real. Already have great still images from a shoot? Don't start over. Use Kling's image-to-video feature to animate subtle, natural motion from an image. This is perfect for Reels, TikToks, or paid ads where the image already performed well. Let's say you have a product shot, a model holding your skincare bottle. Prompt. Model gently tilts head and smiles. Natural wind ruffles her hair slightly. Sunset glow backlights the scene. Camera slowly pushes in with gentle blur and light flares. That's it. Use only 3 of the 5 prompt pillars: action, lighting, movement, because the subject and environment already exist in the image. It works wonders for lifestyle content, product demos, and even founder-led storytelling. This feature is wildly underrated, and for e-commerce, it's huge. Here's how we used Kling's multi-elements editor for a client with a clothing brand. Took their hero video and used swap to change the jacket color. Used add to place a logo mug on the table in a home office scene. Used delete to remove distracting background people in a crowded cafe. Result, one base asset became 4 hyper-targeted ad variations. No reshoots, no re-renders, no wasted credits. You can also use it to test how a product looks in different use environments. Kitchen, bedroom, outdoors, before you even have the photo shoot booked. This is strategic iteration on a budget. Most users overspend because they don't plan. Here are 3 pro tips we use every day. Start with 5-second clips. They cost less and give you enough to assess motion, framing, and expression. Scale once it works. Use negative prompts. Want fewer weird faces or stiff hands? Say it. Add no glitches, no floating artifacts, no exaggerated expressions. Match aspect ratio to platform. 9:16 for TikTok, 1:1 for carousels, 16:9 for landing pages. Kling aligns better when it knows the format. We've saved thousands of credits just by applying this structure. Kling isn't a one-stop shop. It's a core node in a performance workflow. Here's how we stack tools. Arcads, to script and storyboard UGC or founder-style videos. 11 Labs, to generate clean voiceovers and natural tones. Runway, to color grade, add logo animations, and trim for platform. Canva, Figma, for packaging final edits with overlays and CTAs. HeyGen, when you need virtual presenters or founder avatars. We call it the AI Creative Engine, a pipeline that lets us build entire campaigns in days instead of weeks. And yes, it performs. We've tested this side by side against traditional edits. Cost is lower, time to market is faster, and most importantly, conversion is higher when you iterate and optimize fast. Their card recognizes. So now, you know exactly how to use Kling, not just as a video tool, but as a strategic content machine. If you want our team to audit your current creatives, build you a performance-ready AI video pipeline, or help scale your e-commerce brand using these tactics, DM us or click the link below. Because at the end of the day, anyone can prompt AI, but very few know how to prompt it with performance in mind. At Profit Pulse Media, we don't just build content, we build creative that sells. See you in the next one.